Alright guys, so I got the first bag on. Obviously I gotta lower the bottom collar, but there's shit in the thread, so I'll just do that later. But the bag's all put together. Fittings on the back end, so I guess that's good. So that's that side done. I'm gonna take this one apart, show you guys how to do that, like I said. So let's get it done. Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you how to take this apart and assemble the bag. These are all the tools that you're going to need to take apart the coil over and put the bag on. Alright, so this is just what you're going to need. You're going to need a 3/16 Allen key. You're going to need a ruler or a tape measure of some sort. You're also going to need, of course, your spanner wrenches. You're also going to need a 14mm wrench. That's going to be to take off your little adjustment soft to hard dial that's on the top. Then you're also going to need a 17mm wrench. That's to take off the top nut. You could use an impact, but you can't really use it because you have to hold the Allen key at the same time, so you might as well just use a ratchet wrench or a regular wrench. You're also going to need like a little knife so you can take off the sticker that's going to be on the shock body, because you have to put that goop down there. So that's pretty much all you need to take it apart. Maybe a hammer just in case your nuts don't come off for your spanners. So alright, so let's get into this. So the first thing you're going to need is going to be the 14mm open end wrench. That's just to get your little your knob off for, you know, when you're adjusting your dampening and everything. That just takes that off. So you just thread that out and then you're good. It just comes off. Next part is where you're going to want to get your 3/16 Allen key. That's what you're going to put in the top of the bolt, because there's going to be a slot for that. And then you just take your 17mm wrench and then go ahead and take off and loosen that top nut. This one was a little bit harder than the other one, so I had to get a little rubber mallet or a dead blow to be able to get it off. This is going to allow you to take off the top plate, the camber plate. Then you're going to take off the little top of the spring perch that holds the top of the spring. Then you're going to take the spring off, of course. Then your dust boot. And your little bump stop that's inside of it. Again, sorry for this video being a little bit dark. Just taking my spanner wrench and loosening up the bottom nut. Just because you have to take it down to 65mm from the top of the thing. You can actually put it down farther, it doesn't really matter, but just gives you an idea of where the bag is going to stop after it gets down all the way sealed. Depending how old your coilovers are, it might take a little bit of elbow grease to be able to get those nuts off, because one's threaded one way and one's threaded the other way. So right here I'm just measuring with the ruler my 65mm point, which I'll show you guys a picture right here. And then I pretty much just took a piece of painter's tape and then taped my nut down so it didn't move or anything. So these three things come with the bag when you get them. You got your top nut, and then your little seal that goes at the top of the bag on the shaft, and then you got your little tapered piece that's like a spacer for the top of the bag. So as you can see, this part right here is 65mm down. That's what they told you to do, so that's what I did. Right here you're gonna have to put some grease, and right here you're gonna have to put some grease, and that's where that seal goes, down the top part of the shaft. This is what I use right here. It's just some multi-purpose grease. You know, it's nothing special. Put grease on that spot, and like I said, right here at the top of the shaft. Then you put your seal right here. You take your seal, and then you put it down on the shaft, and then you put a little bit more the goop on top of the seal. Then you're pretty much ready to thread your bag on. You can see me watching TV right here and putting the bag on, but I'm just threading it down. It's gonna come to a complete stop, so you don't have to worry about like how tight you gotta get it. Once you thread it down, it doesn't go any farther. That's where it like hits the top of the, like a tapered point that's on the inside of the bag or whatever. After your bag's all done, you go ahead and get that tapered nut, and then you thread it, or you put it right down on top of the bag. And then you put your camber plate back on, and then reassemble your top bolts. That top nut that they give you, that just goes right on top of the original top nut that was on the coilover in the first place. And then you go ahead and thread your adjustment knob back onto that. So that's pretty much all you have to do to assemble the bag. It's pretty simple, it's not really hard or anything. This is all the leftover stuff you got. You got your dust shield, your coil springs, your top plate for the coil springs, your bump stops, and then the bottom perch, because you take that perch off, the one that the spring is sitting on. Yeah, and all you do is keep the nut that's under the spring perch one.